First, we're tackling a budget-friendly approach to creating a 16 GB RAM remote desktop. This method focuses on leveraging free tier resources. Step 1 is to use GitHub, a platform for storing and managing your code. You will need to begin by creating a GitHub account if you do not have one. Step 2, you'll likely search through online resources to pinpoint suitable providers of these virtual machines. Searching for providers like free cloud compute may provide you with options. Research the terms of service. Step 3 is choosing the specific provider. When you find a provider, note the setup instructions and steps for their service. Be sure the virtual machines have enough processing power. Step 4, configuring your virtual machine. Pay close attention to the RAM settings and resource allocations. We'll likely select a 16 GB RAM configuration. Step 5 involves setting up remote desktop protocol access, or RDP. Allows you to connect to your virtual machine remotely. You'll need to configure RDP on the service. Step 6, connecting to your 16 GB RAM remote desktop. Once RDP is configured, you're ready to simply connect to your virtual machine with the access details. This concludes the tutorial. You now have access to a 16 GB RAM remote desktop. Remember to check providers regularly, and happy coding!